Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about device bid adjustments. I am in the we can select any campaign want here, this one. So I click more, then devices. And the devices here we can, after you receive more clicks and more conversions, you can decide which one you have to increase the bid or decrease the bid. So this one we have only one conversion. Imagine if we have here 30 conversions and we have here the same 30 conversions, but we can decide which one. Like this one we have one conversion and this costs us only $2.34. The same thing for the cost per conversion. So in this case we can, if we have more conversion, we can increase this one like 1 by 10% or decrease this one if it doesn't bring more conversions. So here we can decrease or increase depending on the result that you have here. So if you have more conversions and you have a winning product in the mobile phone here, so you can increase the conversion here. You can give it like 30%, so it will if we have $10 card, it will take $13 card from the what we have here, from the budget we have, daily budget. So this is how we do it in the bid, how we do the bid in the device section. Under more here, you have to click here, then you will see device section here.